What are risk appetite and risk tolerance? Have you ever wondered how businesses decide how much risk to take on? Understanding risk appetite and risk tolerance is key to making smart financial decisions. Let's break these concepts down in a way that makes sense. Risk appetite is all about how much risk an organization or individual is willing to accept to achieve their goals. Think of it as the overall attitude towards risk. For instance, a new startup might be eager to take big risks to innovate and grow quickly. On the other hand, a well-established company may prefer a more cautious approach. In vocational and adult education, knowing your risk appetite can help educators and learners evaluate the risks involved in pursuing new skills or career changes. Now, let's talk about risk tolerance. This is the specific level of risk that an organization can handle before it becomes too much. Risk tolerance sets clear boundaries and standards for how to assess and respond to risks. Unlike risk appetite, which is more about general feelings toward risk tolerance is often more quantitative. It helps determine how much risk is acceptable in specific activities or decisions. For example, in vocational education, risk tolerance can influence whether to invest in new technologies or expand program offerings. These concepts are not just theoretical. They have practical applications in vocational and adult education. When developing new programs, educators must weigh their risk appetite for innovation against their risk tolerance for potential failures or resource allocation. Career counselors can guide learners in assessing their personal risk appetite and tolerance when they consider changing careers or acquiring new skills. Financial planning also greatly benefits from understanding these concepts. Knowing your risk appetite and tolerance is essential for managing financial risks, such as investing in education or starting a business. By aligning risk appetite and tolerance with personal or organizational goals, individuals and institutions can create a solid risk management framework. This framework supports strategic decision-making and builds resilience in the face of challenges. In summary, grasping the difference between risk appetite and risk tolerance is vital for anyone involved in financial risk management, especially in vocational and adult education. By understanding these concepts, you can make informed decisions that align with your goals while managing potential risks effectively.